We use smart scales to track our health metrics: weight, body fat percentage, and muscle mass. You step onto the glass platform, and it sends an imperceptible low-voltage electrical current up through your feet to measure bioelectrical impedance, calculating exactly what your body is made of. It's a standard tool for fitness. But an electrical current doesn't just measure fat and water. It reads everything occupying your physical footprint. My name is Sarah. I've been on a strict health journey, so I keep a premium smart scale in my master bathroom. Every single morning at 7 a.m., I step onto the glass pads, let it sync with my phone via Bluetooth, and log my progress. But last night, a sharp notification buzz on my nightstand woke me up at exactly 3:33 a.m. I groggily reached for my phone, my eyes burning from the bright screen. It was an automated push alert from my fitness app. New weight log synchronized. Warning: extreme weight fluctuation detected. I frowned, my brain foggy from sleep. I hadn't stepped on the scale since yesterday morning. I tapped the notification to open the historical data graph. The log entry from 3:32 a.m. was deeply disturbing. My baseline weight was 135 pounds. The log that had just automatically generated showed a staggering reading of 495 pounds. A software glitch, I muttered to myself, assuming the sensor had experienced a short circuit or a heavy object had fallen onto it. I opened the advanced metric breakdown to delete the entry. When the detailed report expanded, my blood ran completely ice cold. The smart scale used bioelectrical impedance to calculate body composition. The app didn't just show a number. It broke down the 495 pounds into specific biological tissue categories. According to the data screen, bone mass, 45 pounds, human standard. Water content, 12%, critically low/dehydrated. Foreign tissue mass, 315 pounds, non-human/high density. I stared at the screen, my heart hammering violently against my ribs. The scale hadn't glitched. It had successfully sent an electrical current through a mass that was currently standing directly on the glass platform in my dark bathroom. I listened into the dead silence of the apartment. From the bathroom down the hall, I heard a faint, high-pitched electronic chime, the distinct sound the scale makes when a reading has successfully completed. Then, I heard the sound of footsteps. They weren't human footsteps. It sounded like something incredibly heavy and dense, its footsteps sounding like wet, solid meat slamming against the tile floor. Thud, thud, thud. The weight was moving out of the bathroom, entering the hardwood corridor, walking straight toward my open bedroom door. My phone vibrated aggressively in my hand again. The fitness app forced open a new text-based diagnostic summary, its automated health coach feature typing out a direct assessment of the data. Health alert. The entity currently approaching your bedside is severely malnourished. It requires an immediate organic energy source of approximately 135 pounds to stabilize its mass. At that exact microsecond, a towering wet silhouette stepped through my bedroom doorframe. The floorboards beneath its feet groaned and cracked under the immense, crushing weight of its frame. It raised a long, skeletal arm, its jaw unhinging with a sickening wet crunch as a freezing, putrid breath blasted across my face from the darkness. Thanks for keeping track of the metrics, Sarah. Let's see if the numbers match. Double tap if your chest just tightened. Share with a friend who loves modern horror, and hit that follow button right now so you never miss another midnight nightmare.